What dog? Oh. Anyways, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Bash and more seed. It's been a while. I've been working on something that I've been wanting to show y'all, but y'all probably seen it from my last video. I built me a front wheel drive car, but I am out here today on a nice day. Roads dried up from yesterday's rain, and just give her a rip, I guess. See how she do front wheel drive. I'm not expecting any type of traction, but straight spin. You know what I'm saying? So let's just get to it. I'm gonna set y'all up though. All right. There's the car. The rear bumper off. Front wheel drive Honda Civic EG6. This is no tune, guys, no tune yet. So I probably add a little bit of tune, maybe, but she seemed to be running all right, and I kind of enjoy it right.
It's rubbing on the body whenever I get on it.
Oh, you ready? Go. Hey, that little Honda. Y'all see that first quick run? Honda did get in half track. It was weak as hell out the hole. A half track though. It was climbing on him. Yeet. But anyways, guys, that ends it for today. Just a little quick test run of my Honda Civic. It's a Express Execute FT1S front wheel drive kit that I built and put together, running the Hobbywing XR10 Pro with the Phantom 4.5 turn motor, on no tune, zero timing, none of that, straight gearing right now so far. So I'm gonna go home. Maybe I think my battery's pretty much drained now. It ain't a big battery. It's a 4600 milliamp at 100 C burst. So I mean, I do got another set of tires I can slap on real quick, but I don't think this battery's dead or my ESC part just got hot. But if it is still running, we're gonna keep it going and see what goes on from there. Alright. But if not, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.